In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jira ticket in 2025. Whether you're tidying up a project or correcting erroneous entries, knowing how to delete a ticket is a crucial skill in managing your Jira environment efficiently. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure clarity and accuracy. First, let's start by opening your Jira project and navigating to the specific ticket you want to delete. It's important to ensure that you're in the right project where the ticket resides. This step involves accessing your Jira dashboard and locating your project, which might seem basic, but it's an essential first step in this process. Once you've identified the ticket in question, click on it to open the ticket detail page. This page displays all the relevant information about the ticket, including the description, comments, attachments, and more. Here, you'll get a comprehensive overview of what you're working on. It's always a good idea to double check that this is indeed the ticket you wish to delete, preventing any accidental removals that could disrupt your workflow. Next, look for the Actions menu on this detail page. It's typically represented by 3 dots, so you may see an icon that looks like an ellipsis. This menu holds various options that you can perform on the ticket, such as moving, cloning, or editing it. Your Actions menu is your gateway to managing your ticket, so familiarize yourself with its location and the options it contains. Once you've located the Actions menu, click on it to reveal a drop-down list of options. Among these, look for and select the Delete option. This is where you initiate the process of removing the ticket. If you don't see the Delete option, it could be due to permission restrictions. Ensure that your user role is equipped with the necessary permissions to delete tickets, as administrative rights might be required. After selecting Delete, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your deletion. This is a safety feature to ensure that you're consciously deciding to remove this item. Review the prompt carefully, and if you're certain about this decision, click Delete again to confirm. Once you hit this final confirmation, the ticket will be permanently removed from your Jira system. Bear in mind that once a ticket is deleted, it cannot be recovered. It's advisable to be absolutely sure before proceeding with deletion. Consider taking note of any crucial information in the ticket that you might need in the future as a safety measure. And there you have it, you've successfully learned how to delete a ticket in Jira. Remember, this process is an essential part of maintaining a clean and organized project environment. By effectively managing your tickets, you can ensure that your team's workflow remains streamlined and efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.